Technology has enabled exciting advancements in how art is created and shared. Many artists consider themselves to be either analog or digital creators, but what if you could bridge the gap between these two worlds? A drawing tablet can do just that. The best of these can mimic the traditional drawing or painting experience, while capturing your artwork in a digital format that can be edited at will. There are many products available to choose from best drawing tablet, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best drawing tablet from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Wacom Cintiq 22. Wacom manufactures a complete line of drawing tablets, ranging from budget models to professional-grade equipment. The Wacom Cintiq 22 is an excellent mid-range choice, offering impressive features at a reasonable price. Overall, it's the best drawing tablet with a screen on the market. If you want to save money and don't need a screen, the Wacom Intuos, described below, is a great alternative. The Cintiq 22 features a large 21.53 screen with vibrant colors, and a 1920x1080 anti-glare FHD display. This gives you plenty of space to work with, but of course, it comes at the cost of a good chunk of your desk space. It has a built-in stand that can be adjusted, allowing you to customize the screen angle to find a comfortable position. This tablet has 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, along with a low activation force. In plain English, this means that the Cintiq 22 recognizes even the lightest pen strokes, and intelligently responds to your movements. Number 2. XP Pen Artist 15.6 Pro. The XP Pen Artist 15.6 Pro is a great option for those who want a drawing tablet with a screen, but don't want to splurge on an expensive Wacom. XP Pen is an up-and-coming tablet maker that offers impressive features at a fraction of the price of more established brands. The Artist 15.6 Pro is one of its mid-tier options, with a 15.63 display and battery-free styles. Smaller and larger models are also available. The display on the XP Pen Artist 15.6 Pro is one of its best selling points. As with more expensive brands, the screen is fully laminated, which helps reduce the parallax effect and provides an experience more similar to a pen and paper feel. That 15.63 size provides a useful amount of drawing real estate without taking up your entire desk. The included pen is highly sensitive, with 8192 pressure levels, the same as the more expensive Wacom model above, and 60 degrees of tilt. This model is fairly customizable, with 8 programmable keys along the left-hand side of the tablet. These can be customized to match shortcuts in your favorite design software. The red dial lets you zoom in and out of your work, so you can quickly fine-tune details or get an overall view as needed. Number 3. Wacom Intuos. The Wacom Intuos is perhaps the best drawing tablet without a screen, and the most budget-friendly model on this list. For a wallet-friendly price, you can pick up an Intuos and get an affordable introduction to the world of drawing tablets. The biggest and most obvious difference here is that the Intuos doesn't have a screen. Instead, it plugs into your computer, and you need to use your monitor or laptop display to see what you're drawing. This can take some getting used to, and feels more disconnected than drawing on a tablet screen, or on actual paper, of course. Thanks to the lack of screen, the Intuos is extremely portable and lightweight. It weighs under 0.6 pounds, 0.9 pounds for the larger model. Compatible with PC, Mac, and Chromeos, it includes a Wacom battery-free pen with 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity. That's around half the sensitivity of higher-end models, but it's still quite accurate for most uses. Note that the Wacom Intuos comes in 2 sizes, small and medium. The active area on the smaller version is particularly small, at just. Number 4. Apple iPad Pro. Want a drawing tablet that you can also watch Netflix and check Instagram on? The Apple iPad Pro is your best bet. Any iPad Pro model will work, but the latest model, 6th generation, is the best option if you can get past the price tag. The iPad Pro includes everything that Apple is known for. Intuitive design, a wide variety of apps and uses, powerful processing, a high-end camera, and yes, expensive accessories that aren't included. For the iPad Pro to be a drawing tablet, you'll need to shell out for the Apple Pencil 2 as well. If you can stomach the price, the iPad Pro is an excellent and versatile option. The current model has the powerful M2 chip, the same one you'll find inside Mac computers, which makes it blazingly fast for pretty much any task you can think of. The inclusion of that fast CPU is important when it comes to using the iPad Pro as a drawing tablet. Unlike the other tablets we've mentioned, you can run design apps like Photoshop and Illustrator directly on the iPad, rather than on your computer. Number 5. Wacom One HD Creative Pen Display. The Wacom One offers many of the features that the company is known for, at a much more affordable price point. It's not a super cheap tablet by any means, but it's budget-friendly enough to be justifiable for beginner and intermediate artists. The 13.33 display means the one doesn't take up much space on your desk, but you'll also find yourself scrolling around more often on larger drawing projects. Despite being at the lower end of the Wacom range, the screen itself is top quality, with a matte finish, and just the right level of friction to make you believe you're sketching on real paper. The smaller size makes the tablet easy to travel around with, at least, and it's particular. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.